When the most influential people in the world are exploring space, you should take out time to explore some marvelous hidden places on the Earth. Koh Phi Phi, known as the Jewel of Asia, has been the new pride of Thai people and become one of Thailand's most famous spots. When mentioning Koh Phi Phi, people see the stunning turquoise water, fabulous beaches, and beautiful cliffs that are suitable for diving, climbing, and snorkeling. In addition, you can explore this beautiful island in just 18 hours while staying within your budget limits. Here are things you can do in Koh Phi Phi. Number 10. Relaxing at the beach. The most famous beach you can visit is Maya Bay, and due to its reputation, this place is crowded with tourists from everywhere. But don't worry, if you can get up early and visit it when the sun has not come up, the sight will make you surprised. Phi Phi itself is home to several fabulous beaches, and you can treat yourself walking through peaceful beachside while watching the sunset, or swimming in the sea is also a good way to relax. In case you want to find a quiet place, try Phak Nam Bay. It is a small bay with only one resort and a fishing village. Number 9. Visit Bamboo Island. Have you ever seen clownfish closely? You can get a chance of seeing this beautiful fish while visiting Bamboo Island in Koh Phi Phi. In a remote area, Bamboo Island is obviously less famous than Maya Beach, but it is still a beautiful place to visit, especially for couples. Natural scenes here will satisfy both your eyes and your soul with crystal clear water and colorful marine life. And for those who have intention to go diving, make sure you see the famous clownfish waiting for you under the water. Entrance charges to Bamboo Island are around $15. Number 8. Visit Monkey Beach. If you found yourself asking, where are the monkeys in Thailand? They're here in the Phi Phi Islands. There are 2 monkey beaches on the island, both border onto the jungles, and it's a popular spot for monkeys to hang out and getting closer to humans. You cannot feed the monkey because that action is considered as disrupting the animal's natural environment, and you will receive a fine if you do that. The beach itself is exactly what you expect from the Phi Phi Islands. The sand is powder white and ocean is warm and clear. Limestone cliffs surround, and the wild monkeys can be seen up in these cliffs, chilling out on the beach or swimming in the sea. Visiting this place will cost you only $5 to $6. Number 7. Go snorkeling. How great it is when you can immerse yourself in the water and discover the stunning marine life. You can have this unique experience on the Pila Bay Lagoon, Bamboo Island, Mosquito Island, and many other places of Koh Phi Phi. All these places can offer you an adventure of a lifetime with various kinds of fish to explore, and you can even swim with dolphins. But that is not everything. A plankton snorkeling eco tour will guide you to the most exciting light show held underwater, where you get a chance to see the sparkling beauty of the sea at night. Rent mask and snorkel in just $1.5. Number 6. Have a kayak tour. Renting a kayak and visiting several places by yourself without joining any tour is probably an interesting idea. The price for renting a kayak for a day is about $19 to $22 and mostly can be rented at the resorts you stay in. Traveling by kayak is like exercising when you are traveling, so make sure that you bring water along and cover yourself with enough sunscreen to protect your skin. Kayaking in Low Dalam Bay is one of the favorite activities in Phi Phi Island. Number 5. Boat trip. Boat trip is more economical than kayaking. Boat trip costs only $8 to $9. It is very touristy, but it is still the cheapest way to check out those beautiful areas. A boat trip to Koh Phi Phi Lee Island allows you to visit the amazing Maya Bay, as well as a few other spots around the island, including Viking Cave and Paile Lagoon. The island's karst limestone cliffs provide you with incredible scenery to enjoy throughout your trip. Most of the bays where you will be taken are good for fish spotting, but there are no coral reefs. Number 4. Jungle trekking. Do you want to explore the mysteries of jungle? Koh Phi Phi has jungle, which provides you an opportunity to become an explorer. If you like walking, then you can spend a day trekking to the northern part of the island and relax on beautiful beaches like Lim Tong and Lo Baku Bay. In jungle trekking, you can enjoy natural, calm surroundings. Guided jungle tour can cost around $30, so better to explore it on your own. The breathtaking views of jungle can refresh the mind. Number 3. Climb up and see the sunset. There are several viewpoints on Phi Phi, but number 1 is definitely the most famous. Entrance costs you only $1. The walk is fairly easy. Right after the stairs, you are at viewpoint number 1. After a 20-minute uphill walk, you will reach viewpoint number 2, where you will find the viewpoint restaurant and a wooden platform to enjoy the view. If you want to continue further, walk up to viewpoint number 3, which is another 20 minutes walk. These viewpoints are perfect to take picture of an amazing sunset. Number 2. Go diving. The popular movie The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, put Koh Phi Phi firmly on the map. Since then, it has become one of the most popular destinations in Thailand. There are so many places in Koh Phi Phi that you can choose to go diving in. Whether it is Beta Nok Island, the King Cruiser wreck between Phuket and Phi Phi, or Beta Nai Island, each place has its own way to offer you the best exploration. If it is the first time you have tried this exciting activity, Beta Nok is a good choice to enjoy scuba diving. Otherwise, Beta Nai is pretty famous for advanced divers. While diving, keep a keen eye on the sand for resting leopard sharks. Look carefully for mantis shrimp and seahorses whilst triggerfish dart around you. Number 1. Go shark spotting. There are a few different species of sharks which can be spotted around Koh Phi Phi. You don't need to be afraid. There are no dangerous species of sharks around Phi Phi Islands. Mostly the sharks here are very timid. The one species you can spot the easiest around Phi Phi Island is the black tip reef shark. You are very likely to spot juvenile reef sharks, which are less than a meter long, but an adult black tip reef sharks can grow to around 1.5 meters to 2 meters long. They can be spotted in very shallow waters around the cliffs and corals, where they hunt down mullet and squid. Please share your views about this video in the comments section. Do hit the notification bell for more interesting videos from around the world. We at Fine Travel carry out a lot of research and talk to officials, residents, and travel guides to give you information that is true and accurate to help you find the best locations in the world where you can settle or visit. We are committed to providing you with the best possible information about pros and cons of different places around the world, so you can make an informed and sensible choice about where to reside or settle. Thanks for watching. Eat, sleep, travel, and stay calm.